Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Compute classes. The max function finds the largest number in a range or among multiply numbers is equal to max first bracket all select English history computer bracket close then enter. As you can see, Aditi has the highest score in history. The average function calculates the average of a group of numbers instead of adding the values and dividing them manually. Excel does it automatically with a single formula is equal to average first bracket all select bracket close then enter. Here you can see that we have calculated Ria's average using the average function.